Hi, welcome to my channel, and to all my new viewers, welcome. My name is Miss Wangui Mwithathi, and today I'll be talking about celebrating small wins. More like the power of small wins for motivation. Stay tuned. The struggle is real, guys. We all need small wins to get to the big wins. At some point, we experience burnout or we become overwhelmed, especially during challenging times. May it be at work or at home, in relationships. We all face challenges at some point. The weight of big goals over our shoulders can be daunting sometimes. And if not careful, one can become very discouraged. In this instant, small wins are the antidote. And this is because they provide tangible progress and they boost motivation. You have to unveil the power of small wins. Yes, small wins have a lot of power. And this is because small wins will create a momentum for you. When you have momentum, it will help you stay on track when it comes to large tasks or large goals. Remember, each achievement builds confidence. Also, each achievement reduces self-doubt. When you're aiming for one big win, you might feel like you might even start doubting yourself, especially if this win feels prolonged. But if you break it down into smaller wins, you'll be able to overcome self-doubt, okay? Because these small wins will help you stay motivated. Small wins require your mindset to focus, mostly in progress, which helps you become more resilient. Another reason why you should celebrate small wins is because it helps turn challenges into opportunities. Breaking big goals into small, manageable tasks helps with clarity and focus. When you celebrate milestones, no matter how small they seem, they help represent progress, because this is showing that you're moving from one point to another. Okay? When you have no small win, it means you're stuck in the same place. So small wins represent progress. Start seeing small wins as fuel to your big wins. The small wins will help you get to your big goals. Small wins in action can be something like a career growth, going through something like a weight loss, being sober for some time, or achieving a financial milestone. This is to say, small wins can apply in any area of your life. For instance, sobriety in your finances, in personal projects, in things like fitness, or even relationships. But remember, consistency is key. So, as much as you're celebrating small wins, you have to be consistent with these small wins. And this is because consistency, when it comes to small wins, leads to bigger achievements in life. Small wins are a foundation for success. Look at a small win as episode 1 and success as a series. Okay? So for you to reach to success, you have to go through several episodes. So there's episode 1, that's a small win. Episode 2, that's another small win. And for the complete, all the episodes all together, you get a series, which is success. Small wins are about building a growth mindset. They are there to teach us resilience, to teach us patience, to teach us consistency, and the value of progress. Okay? Learn to recognize and celebrate small wins. It will motivate you to work towards your big goals. Okay? So celebrate yourself. Celebrate that small step that you've accomplished. Small wins are small successes that can have significant impact on your life, your business, your environment when celebrated. Okay? So don't take these small wins for granted. Small wins will boost your confidence, they will improve your moods, and they will help you create a sense of purpose. Okay? Celebrating small wins will also help you create a good habit. It will help you hone some skills, and it will also help you build or create a culture of encouragement. You know, in life, sometimes we need to feel encouraged, and at some point, you'll only have yourself to encourage yourself. Okay? Sometimes you have to do that for yourself. And when that time comes, you do it. Don't feel bad about it. Go pop that champagne alone. Okay? Go sip that glass of wine alone. Go cut that cake alone. Okay? You're the one who knows the milestones you've made. So celebrate yourself. Sometimes you don't have to wait for other people. You can do it alone. Acknowledge that win. That's all that matters. Acknowledge that win. And this is because when you acknowledge that win, your brain releases dopamine, like that dopamine hit, which reinforces the desire to repeat that behavior. Okay? When you experience a dopamine hit in anything, you really want to experience whatever it is, so that you can experience that dopamine hit again. Okay? So you'll want to repeat that process over and over again. Sawa? And when this happens, it helps the brain rewire for success. So take that one step, okay? One step at a time. And remember, success is a series of small wins. So go out there and celebrate yourself. Celebrate that small win, okay? I hope this gets to help someone. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.